of the drive. Another fake on the end around. Ingram charging in, and the pass is completed to LeGarrette Blount. Blount still on his feet. And it takes 3 Chargers to bring him down at the 25. Quarterbacks using audibles a lot in this first quarter. LeGarrette Blount. And escapes 1 tackle and comes within 2 yards of a first down. Let's send it down to Shannon. Shannon, what do you read from the crowd so far?
From receiver to receiver.
From the 33, and LeGarrette Blount breaks a tackle and may have another first down. 25. LeGarrette Blount broke another tackle. Not easy to bring him down as he gets it out to the 32. LeGarrette Blount is the running back, and he gets the call up the middle. Blount. Terrific run by Blount, and once again the Chargers can't get to him. Not good against the run. 4th straight game or 100 more yards rushing, and this is why, as LeGarrette Blount, they can't bring him down, and LeGarrette Blount is going to outrace King, and finally he needs some help inside the 5-yard line, and it's Hayes Pullard. LeGarrette Blount.
And here it is in its entirety. Look at that cutback right here. Another cutback. Break a tackle. Stiff arm right there. Get off me. Continues to run. Go ahead and get a little bit more. You want more? Oh!
Reach. It is 2nd down and 7 for Carson Wentz. And here is LeGarrette Blount. And Blount trying to get the ball away. And Blount near the first down. Maybe a little bit shy. Trey Boston was in on the play. 1:54 on the clock. They go to Blount. He gets the first down. He gets more than a first down, and he gets inside the 15-yard line. When they have run, they have gotten 8 or 9 yards, and when they come close, they burst it.
That Blount he's got such good vision and quickness. Little jump cut right here. Watch at the end as he just covers this ball up. I'm not going to let it go. I'm not going to let it go. And has the presence of mind as he covers that thing up. He knows, man, I've got to get down inbounds, keep this clock running, and end this football game.